Hello everyone and welcome back to the Amalfi coast. Today we're visiting a hidden gem, a charming home with a secret garden on a beautiful seafront location. Are you ready to discover it? Come with me. This is one of the oldest homes in Praiano, very close to the village of Positano, and likely dating back to the 17th century. It is located near the church in the historic part of the village where many of the oldest houses are found. The property was carefully restored in 2012, preserving its authentic character and traditional materials. The home has its own independent entrance, offering privacy and the feeling of entering a traditional coastal residence rather than a typical apartment. As soon as you enter, you immediately are immersed in these lush gardens. Right by the main house, we find a charming guest room with bathroom. This is ideal for staff or for guests. Right in front it has these terraced gardens, and behind me there is an old fresco that can be restored. Moving down to the lower terrace, we reach the main garden overlooking the sea. Outdoor living is one of the highlights of the property. The garden includes an outdoor shower and fruit trees such as orange, fig, and apricot, with the possibility to create a small swimming pool. At the front of the house, we have a large panoramic terrace overlooking the sea. These spaces are designed for indoor-outdoor living, to relax having a beautiful dinner or relaxing outside. The water can be reached with about a 15-minute walk, and by the sea we find characteristic restaurants and beaches. Inside we find a spacious living room with dining overlooking the sea connected to the kitchen. The spaces are flooded with natural light. The interiors reflect the traditional style of the Amalfi coast, with hand-painted maiolica tiles and vaulted ceilings. A functioning fireplace adds warmth and character to the house. The property features 2 bedrooms connected to the living room, both with vaulted ceilings and traditional finishes. The main bedroom faces the sea and the front terrace and features an ensuite bathroom with hand-painted tiles. The second bedroom has its own independent entrance, a closet area and an ensuite bathroom. While preserving its historic character, the house also includes comforts such as fan coil, heating and cooling. Details like metal window frames, handmade tiles and terracotta floors make this a very authentic Amalfi Coast home. This property is ideal as a hidden sea view getaway, but as well as an attractive rental investment. If you enjoyed this tour, please remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!